It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Standout looks, standout capabilities, so you can stand out on the job site. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and Chevrolet 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments: massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.